Water makes different sounds depending on its temperature because of the way its molecules move and vibrate. When water is heated, its molecules move faster and vibrate more, creating more kinetic energy and causing the water to expand slightly. As a result, the sound waves created when the water moves are faster and more spread out, creating a higher pitch sound. Conversely, when water is cooled, its molecules move slower and vibrate less, creating less kinetic energy and causing the water to contract slightly. The resulting sound waves are slower and closer together, creating a lower pitch sound.